Alrighty. Hey everyone, welcome to the Lucas line. This is going to be the first ever video on this channel, so thank you guys all so much for stopping by and checking out the video. So today I'm going to be going out on the Fox River in Illinois and fishing for some quality smallmouth. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go get geared up, make sure we're all set up, got my spare batteries and my spare hooks, lures, all that fun stuff, and I'll catch you guys out there. Awesome, let's go get them. Alright guys, I have made it down to the first spot, and today what I'm going to be using is a little tungsten jig head with a Z-Man craw. I forgot the color of this guy, but anyways, I've had a look on it in the past, so kind of try out here today. And what we're going to do is start off out here and then make our way all the way down. This is going north of the river, that is going south of the river. I normally always go this way towards the north, and it seems to give me a lot more luck and a lot more fish. So yeah, we'll kind of see what happens. I know I did pretty good last week, so just gotta, it's a grind, man. You know, the river's definitely a grind. Some days it's fantastic and other days it's like there's no fish in this river. So honestly, it's a hit or miss. I had my GoPro off. This is the first one here. Come on up here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, come here. Stop it. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, it's going crazy. Stop it. There we go. Awesome. That's what we're talking about. Nice little river smallmouth. Awesome. Sweet. There's fish number one out of hopefully many. Let him go. Oh, that one got me all discombobulated. It's like, I think he had a follower too, and I was reeling that one in. There was another fish jumping behind him. So, oh, that's a good sign. There's one. Oh yeah. It's like I felt something. I was like something swimming with it. Come on. Come on. That's another pretty good one actually. Come here. Come here. Sweet. Look at that guy. Oh, he's not as big as I thought he was. Probably 12-incher, 13-incher. But yeah, same thing on the jig with the Z-Man craw. Awesome. Fish number two. Going back. All right. Well, I will say that was a pretty successful start. 2 fish right off the get-go, can't complain about that. But yeah, what we'll do is we'll kind of move on down and see how we do. So yeah, I'll catch you guys down over there. Alrighty, here we are. We moved on down just a little bit, and hopefully we can get some quality fish. That would be the goal. So yeah, just so if anyone's wondering or wanted to ask me my setup, what I use, especially for like finesse fishing in general, I use a sponsored company rods. They're made in America. It's called Big Bear Fishing Rods, and I am a Daiwa fanboy, so I always use Daiwa reels. I've always just had good luck with them, and they are power horses. So yeah, I want to say this is 8-pound fluorocarbon, and the rod, it's a medium power fast action rod. It's normally my go-to when it comes to finesse fishing, and then I also have a bunch of other rods at home, but especially when I'm just wading in the river, it's kind of hard for me to bring more than one rod. I really wish I could, but it just doesn't really work that way. But yeah, normally I'll just finesse fish, or I'll throw like a swim jig, I'll throw some spinner baits, like some inline spinners, and normally do pretty well with that as well. So yeah, but recently they've really been loving the jig bites and the Ned rig bites, so why not keep using it if it's working, you know? I just really kind of let the river take this back and bounce it off the rocks. That's honestly all I do. It seems to do well for me. But it's always so beautiful outside, you know? I mean, this is what this is really all about. Being out in nature, catching fish, just hanging out, it's relaxing. I love every minute of it. Felt like there was a weed on there. Alright, keep moving down. I know down over there's a pretty nice drop off, so I always catch fish off of that too. So we'll definitely try over there as well. Oh, something big just jumped over there. Let's keep moving a little bit down. Try to get it way back up in there. There's one. It's about time. I was like, I find it hard to believe there's not one sitting up in that corner, and sure enough, he's sitting back behind the tree. Oh, he's splashing like crazy. Come here. Come on. Come on. Oh boy. Slapped at me. Alright, dude. This guy's putting up a fight and he's not even that big. Come here. There you go. Sweet. Fish number 3, switched up the plastic, and sure enough, in the first 10-ish minutes I caught one, so that's a pretty good sign. Can't complain about that. I gotta get my pliers out here. Sweet! Beautiful. Awesome. Well, that right there is fish number 3. We'll let this guy go. All right, got that mess figured out. Let that guy go. All right, hope we can catch a couple more if they're sitting under this tree here. Which I'm hoping they are gonna be, because there's another one. Whoa, do not go towards that way, brother. You're gonna stay right here. Ooh, you see this shad jumping too? Gosh, these fish are so much fun, guys. They are so much fun. All right. And these ones like this one right here is not even that big. It's probably, what, 12 inches? It still fights like crazy. And this is what it's all about, man. Come here. Open your mouth for me. There we go. Awesome. Yeah, see, that guy's small and he's still fighting like crazy. Awesome. Well, that's fish number 4. Get this out of his mouth here. Awesome. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. That's what it's all about. Awesome. Sweet. Fish number 4. Going back. Go for an adventure, and we're gonna go under the tree. See how this goes. Oh my goodness. Oh, there it. There we go. There we go. I say I know this. Oh, it's actually a good one. I'm gonna say I knew there was one sitting over here somewhere. Come here. Come here. That's a really good one, actually, guys. Come here. Look at that guy. That one's fat. I think me and that guy over there almost just doubled up. Oh man. Oh, that's awesome. That is absolutely awesome. This is the best one of the day for sure. Unhook this guy. Let's see here. If I can get my pliers up in there. Yeah, he's hooked really good. Got him in the tongue, that's why. There we go. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Put my pliers away. Beautiful. Look at that beautiful river smallmouth, guys. That is amazing. That's a beautiful fish right there. For the release. Alrighty, hey guys. Unfortunately, after I caught that last fish, my camera died. So, with that being said, I did catch a couple more. I think I want to say I caught like 3 or 4 more. So yeah, I didn't miss out on much, but yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will be doing some more largemouth and smallmouth fishing pretty soon here. So stay tuned and be ready for another video drop, and let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe. Thanks for stopping by. Deuces.